Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand how to register for MKCL Learnico and how to obtain the licenses. Let's begin. We are on the Learnico homepage. Now click on register to use free. You can see 3 different plans are available. You can choose any plans according to your requirement. The features of all the plans are shown here. Let's click on use free. Now enter your 10-digit mobile number. OTP will be sent on this mobile. Enter your OTP and click on verify. Now you have to provide your personal details. Let's fill in the personal details. After filling the details, click on next. Now you have to provide the details about your institute. Let us fill these details. There are 4 types of institutes: school, which provide education up to 10th standard, then junior college, which provide education for 11th and 12th standard, then senior colleges, which provide graduate and postgraduate degree education, and coaching classes, which provide personal tuitions and classes. For this example, let's select schools. Enter the address of the institute. Now comes the SPOC details. SPOC means single point of contact. This is the first teacher from your institute who will register for MKCL Learnico. The SPOC will act as a point of coordination between the school and MKCL. Click on Consider me as SPOC. Now enter the personal details of SPOC. Carefully put the employee code, as this will be your username. If possible, provide a separate email ID for SPOC. Now click on Submit. If you click on Fill Details, you can see your current profile. You can edit this profile later. When you click on Get Link, an SMS will be sent to your mobile number. This SMS will contain the link for MKCL Learnico app. Please share this link with your students. Now click on Next. Here you can see the introduction video and user manual. Click on the video to play the introduction video. Click on the user manual to see the presentation of user manual. The user manual will show you necessary requirements to start and run MKCL Learnico. Now let's go to dashboard. Here you can see the licenses which are currently active. If you wish to upgrade your license, then click on Buy Plan. You can buy a new license by clicking on Purchase Plan button. If you face any difficulty while setting up MKCL Learnico, click on Support and get assistance from our customer care. Now click at the profile icon at the top and click on Institute Profile. Here you can edit your institute profile as required. You can also add your institute logo by clicking on pencil icon as shown here. You can reset the teacher's password from here. When you click on the Reset Password button, your password is changed and is set same to your user ID. For example, if your user ID is 1001, then your password will also be reset to 1001. So this was all about how to purchase and activate your license in MKCL Learnico. Thank you for watching this video.